Welcome back. Continuing the news. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, we follow the Lucky Clover Foundation on a mission to make life a little easier for Jamaicans affected by Hurricane Melissa. Over 50 volunteers embarked on relief work. Ramada Lyons reports.
The Lucky Clover Foundation is at Runaway Bay Primary and Infant School in St. Anne. It's a group of about 50 people who've come together and has journeyed from Kingston to the parish, helping to play their part in building back Jamaica, one location at a time. Now follow me inside to see the kind of work that's being done. All hands on deck, chopping from one hand to the next. Careful passes to Jordan-esque free throws of debris. Men atop a roof working to prevent additional damage if there's more rainfall. Just like driving in Jamaica, they're avoiding holes.
We just had some minor refurbishing at the roof to this infant school. Some of the things were damaged, so we removed those and we are currently just doing some temporary strapping down back of these ones. Yeah.
They were there until they started to look like silhouettes. Back on the ground, bagging. Sharp focus making up for a dull machete. Truck overflowing. Speaking of truck, it was their free courtesy of Dunn's Trucking and Construction. I'm here with Devin and Daniel and they just want to say one thing to Jamaica right now.
Each one help one, and just make the work go on.
I want unity and strength,
Devin is the CEO. He says right now, it's not all about money.
I decided to donate the truck free of cost because, based off of the Hurricane Melissa, the country is in a devastating position. So I decided that, I can't donate funds, but I can volunteer and donate my service.
The volunteers share the same sentiment.
My name is O'Shane Daly. I'm really happy that we started with a school because, of course, the kids are the future and we really love for the schools to be open as soon as possible.
And even on the journey here, we realize that Jamaica, we have a lot of work ahead of us, right? It's important for you guys to get up and at least try, make donations, help clear debris somewhere, whatever the case may be, because Jamaica needs to get back to what it was.
Because we realize that other parishes have been getting majority of the effort, and because we know that other areas have been affected, we decided to visit this parish today and do as best as we could in the cleaning up and the restoration process.
The chairman of the foundation wants more people to come on board.
We just want to appeal to wider Jamaica to come out and help. Whatever we can do, it will be appreciated. The Lucky Clover Foundation have over 600 volunteers, but yet still we only could have facilitated about 60 because of the lack of funding and donations. Going forward, we would love if we could get buses and physical donation, care packages to hand out to the people in St. Anne.
With your ray of hope, it's the Lucky Clover Foundation.